Okay, good morning all. Today we are going to see about the antenatal preparation for the antenatal mother. How we will prepare the antenatal mother. First we can see coming to the introduction. During pregnancy, mother is given counseling and advice regarding various things which help her in carrying her pregnancy well. The points are antenatal counseling, antenatal exercises, antenatal diet, substance abuse during pregnancy, education for childbirth, husband and families, preparation for safe confinement, prevention from radiation. So one by one we can see. First one, antenatal counseling. So strengthening the prenatal bonding. Counseling is provided to a couple during antenatal periods. It helps in enhancing the bond between fetus and parents. Various developmental aspects of fetus during periods or pregnancy explained to the parents. Periods of pregnancy are explained to parents. It makes the parents close to the baby in womb. That means strengthening prenatal bonding. That we should be strengthened. The prenatal, the baby is coming, so the educate the parents and the family members and couples or the family whose we should be explain about them how the fetus, we should be give a bonding between the how the fetus and how the parents relationship. These all things we should be counsel them. Then overcome anticipatory fears of labor, birth and parenting. So a counselor can try to alleviate the mother's fears. Mother can discuss all doubts openly. Sometimes a couple can become anxious about certain issues related to parenthood. And the mother is the mother who has become first pregnant, she was not knowing about how to look after the baby, how to care the baby, what are the initial steps we should be taken. That all things should be the, and also the family also will be unaware about this. So we should be educate how to look after, what are the measures should be taken. Reduce stress that can negatively impact the labor and birth. Counsel the mother that who is free from mental tension can give birth to a healthy baby and a healthy way. Find one's own individual style for coping with the labor pains and choosing the birthing. Now the modern trends, that is the many birthing procedures are taken. That is the water birth, then birthing positions, different types of, that is the that is we are sitting on the sitting and giving the birth. Likewise many positions are there. So proper attention of the personal hygiene, adequate rest and sleep in comfortable positions, but then wearing loose and comfortable clothing and avoiding high heel shoes. Traveling must be avoided during first and last trimester. Coitus is also to be avoided. Smoking and alcohol should be restrained. Mother should be immunized for tetanus and rubella. Then antenatal exercises. These exercises helped the mother for easy delivery of the baby. That benefits reduction of aches and pains to autumn pregnancy, backache and cramps, improved posture and body awareness, reduce constipation, reduction in minor ailments of pregnancy, aids postnatal recovery, improves ability to cope with the labor and childbirth, energy level will be increased, helps to regain the shape more quickly after delivery. These are antenatal exercises. Then antenatal diet. This diet also we have seen previously. We have seen that diet, and also the nutrition plays important role to have healthy pregnancy. Pregnancy happens to be most demanding period of women. Hence, eating balanced diet becomes more important. Carbohydrate and fats. Intake of carbohydrates should be sufficient. Otherwise, weight gain in pregnancy is poor. Diet should contain essential fatty acids. Protein. Eat variety of protein-rich food like that. Pulses. Then minerals, calcium, iron, sodium, zinc, iodine prevents the adverse effect in fetus. Calcium requirement is double so as to develop baby bones healthy. Then Next, folic acid is most important. Nutrient prevents neural tube defects. Fiber should be taken in large amount. Substance abuse during pregnancy. The fetus grows and develops due to nourishment from mother by placenta. So the toxin can get delivered through placenta. Substance abuse of alcohol, tobacco and other drugs can deprive baby of all essential nutrients and oxygen to develop normally. Then the abuses and their effect. Smoking during pregnancy passes nicotine and cancer-causing drugs to the baby. Smoke also keeps baby from getting nourishment and raises chance of stillbirth or premature birth. Avoid use of alcohol as it causes fetal alcohol syndrome and alcohol-related neurodevelopmental disorder. These are the combination of structural neural behavioral problems. Education for childbirth. Telling mother about anatomy of her reproductive organs and changes in these organs occurring during pregnancy. Relaxing techniques. Careful attention to the emotional aspects of the pregnancy. Stages of labor and birth are told to psychological preparation. Teach regarding puerperal period, newborn care, breastfeeding. Husband and families. Involve the family for husband as they are decision makers, as it will result into increased support to women during pregnancy. Use of contraception. Act as a role model. Reduced violence at home. Better communication. Strong bonding. Helps wife to take balanced diet and timely checkups. Preparation for safe confinement. Home deliveries are considered safe if mother is low risk woman. Healthy multiparous, normal medical obstetric history. Otherwise, complicated cases must be referred to the hospital. Prevention from radiation. Nowadays, MRI and ultrasonography are used. If in case radiation has to be used after first trimester, low dose and fetus should be well protected. Risk for radiation are malignancy, low IQ, microcephaly, cataract and cleft palate. It can be prevented by proper shielding, appropriate filters, reducing exposure time. At last, try to avoid radiological procedure. Okay, thank you.